Hey guys, so today we're going to be moving the orange hive, the green hive, also the red hive, and as well as that we'll be moving the yellow hive to our new apiary site down in the Otway Forest in Victoria. We won't be taking the timber nuke as these guys have only just been split and made a queen, and we also won't be taking the poly nuke because that one's just had a queen put in it about 3 or 4 days ago, so that one can stay put for a few more weeks. But let's get into it. So I closed the bees up the night before and loaded them onto the trailer. I put newspaper in the entrances to block them off, but somehow they managed to get out while I was moving them. This made for an exciting exercise. Anyway, the next morning I got on the road. The new apiary site is about an hour and a half south from where we currently live, so it's not a long drive for the bees, but it's always worth stopping and having a quick check on them. It doesn't look like any have escaped so far. We finally make it to the Otway Forest National Park. This is where the bees will reside, down a little dirt track to a lovely opening. I dropped down last week to build a couple of stands for the bees, so let's get these guys unloaded. Out the front from where the bees are is a couple of 100 acres of clover. So let's get these guys out and get them to work. I'm not going to bother going through them this week. I'll leave them to get settled and pop down next week to check them out. They seem to be doing okay. A few dead bees being carried away, but that's to be expected. Not a lot of action from the red hive, but we'll see how they go over the coming weeks. Thanks again for all your support, guys. Feel free to subscribe, throw us a like, or even a comment. See you on the next one.
Mm-hmm.